Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites. You need global admin rights and proper Azure AD licensing so MFA policies can apply. Once signed into the Azure portal, navigate to Azure Active Directory to avoid distractions. Make sure users have a phone or the Microsoft Authenticator app ready. This speeds enrollment and reduces help desk calls. Now open Security and choose MFA settings to start configuring per user or conditional access options. This is the first actionable step toward enforcing multi-factor protection. Once done with prerequisites, you configure authentication methods and system settings. In authentication methods, enable Microsoft Authenticator push and FIDO2 keys, then tune SMS or voice as fallbacks. These choices affect usability and security. Make sure to set trusted IP ranges and the Remember Multi-Factor setting to balance convenience. Next, create conditional access policies to require MFA for selected groups, cloud apps, or risky sign-ins. This targets enforcement where it matters and reduces unnecessary prompts across your estate. Finally, you roll out enrollment and validate success. Prompt users to complete the Authenticator registration or use the Force registration option for immediate onboarding. Provide short steps to scan QR and approve a test sign-in. Monitor sign-in logs and MFA registration reports to confirm coverage. If something goes wrong, first verify licensing and conditional access rules for conflicting enforcement. Then check device time sync, app updates, and network blocking. If needed, temporarily exclude an emergency admin account to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.